Only girls can hear this sound. Yes, you heard it right. Boys can't hear this sound. You would be thinking why? Boys can't hear this sound. Then the answer is that I have some sound that only girls can hear. But before starting this video, only the fastest people on the earth can like and subscribe to my channel. So let's start this video. In 3, 2, 1. Girls, did you hear this sound? Wait, boys also hear this sound. No, it can't be happen. Okay, let's try another sound. I am pretty sure that boys can't hear this sound. Did you hear this sound? Do tell me in the comments. And especially boys also tell me if they listen the sound or not.